In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Southwest Airlines points. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can complete it smoothly and confidently. If you're trying to top off your balance for an upcoming redemption or simply want to add more points to your account, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Southwest Airlines. When the search results appear, click the correct official Southwest Airlines link to make sure you're on the company's real website. This is important because when you're logging in and making a payment, you always want to use the official site for security and accuracy. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Log In to sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your account credentials and complete the login process. After you're signed in, click My Account. This section is where you can manage your Rapid Rewards profile and access options related to your points. Inside your account area, look for the option that says Buy Points and click it. This will take you to the purchase page where you can choose how many points you'd like to buy. Take a moment here to review the amount carefully. Depending on your travel plans, you may want to compare the cost of buying points with the value you expect to get when redeeming them. After choosing the amount, click Continue to Checkout. On the next screen, you'll be asked to add the email address where your receipt should be sent. Enter the email address you want to use, then click Continue Payment. Using an email address you check regularly is a good idea so you can easily access your receipt and purchase confirmation later if needed. Next, provide your card information and billing address, then review everything before submitting payment. Make sure your payment details and billing information match correctly to help avoid any issues during checkout. When everything looks right, click Pay to complete the transaction. After your payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation email and your purchase points should be added according to the airline's stated processing time. If you don't see the points immediately, give it a little time and check your account again. It's also helpful to save your confirmation email until the points appear in your balance. And that's how to buy Southwest Airlines points quickly and securely through your account.